Well, hope you guys are doing good right now. I have a little bit of a runny nose, but it's not COVID, hopefully. So basically, skip to the point. The whole point of this video is to give you guys an update on what's going on the channel. I think it's been like 3 months now since I've opened up the channel, and it's actually grown pretty good. I would assume within the last 3 months. It's been when was the first time I uploaded a video? That's not the point though. What I wanted to talk about was what's been going on with the E90, what's been going on with the channel. So kind of like 3 things. I have a list right here. So the first thing is the E90. Let's see, it's been a couple days now. I was heading down to Freedom, California. It's over by Santa Cruz. And on the way down there, I got a low coolant light. And at first I didn't think nothing of it because I thought maybe it just needed to be topped off or something. But when I opened up the expansion tank, it was completely empty. So obviously it wasn't some small leak, or it obviously wasn't something that didn't need to be addressed. It was obviously a big problem. So I had to stop at Target, get some distilled water. I filled it up, screwed the cap back on, and got back on the road thinking that just topping it off would solve the issue. But like not even like 5 minutes later, the light came back on for low coolant. So obviously at that point I knew something else was up with the car. So we pulled over and opened up the hood, and we noticed too that there was, you could see where the coolant had sprayed over the engine. So obviously there was a leak somewhere, and I'll try to put clips up right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But it turns out that the radiator cracked, and so that's what's causing the coolant fluid to spray out. So I bought some. I was on the road, so obviously I couldn't just install a new radiator on the spot. So as a temporary fix, we got some Gorilla Glue and we glued over the top of the crack. And that actually did a pretty good job. We were able to get to our destination and come back. And not only that, it's been a couple days now and I've been driving it like that, and there hasn't been a low coolant light. Obviously that's not a permanent fix, but for right now it's doing an okay job. That's basically what happened with the E90 and why it has that thumbnail. Obviously it's so it is overheating, but it's being addressed. So that brings me to the topic of what's going to be the next video on this channel, and that's going to be fixing that crack. Now if I were to install a whole new radiator, I might as well put in new coolant pipes as well, new coolant hoses. And so all that, a new radiator ranges from about $500 to $800, and the hoses, that's probably another $100 to $200. So total, if I'm gonna fix this quote unquote like professionally, it's gonna be around $1,000. So down the road I do plan on doing it, if I plan on keeping the car. But as of right now, what I bought was it's called JB Weld, and this specific kit is for radiator. I'll put it on the screen right now so you guys can see it. But basically it's JB Weld for repairing your radiator. So it works on metal surfaces and plastic surfaces, and it's supposed to stop leaks. This kit is actually pretty cool because it comes with like everything you need to repair the radiator. It comes with the sandpaper to sand down the hose, the cloth to put over the hose, a little brush to brush on the glue, and all the glue that you need. So it's a cool little kit. I'll be making a video on applying it and fixing that leak. So I don't have an ETA on that video yet. It could be this weekend. It could be in 2 months. I don't know. I'm really bad with ETAs, so I'm not gonna give one on that. But that is in the works. So that's gonna be the next video, is fixing that radiator leak. Yeah. It just sucks that that leak had to be on the actual radiator, not a hose. If it was a hose, it'd be so much easier just replacing that hose, but we gotta do the whole entire radiator. And at that point, you might as well do the radiator fan, you might as well do the hoses. It just makes more sense, but I guess that's life. So, you know what the next video is, you know what's going on with the E90. But as far as what I've been doing in the meantime on the channel, it's not official yet, but I have another channel in the works. COVID has given me a lot of time on my hand, so I'm planning on opening up a second channel, and this channel will be called Dead Retail Bros. And this channel will be focused on dead retail. Now I know you're thinking, well, dead retail, that doesn't even have anything to do with cars. Why are you doing dead retail? I don't know. It's just something that interests me right now. And so I'm just gonna do it because it interests me. So basically, we're gonna be exploring dead retail locations that if they're not already out of business, they are going to be out of business relatively soon. Examples are Kmart, Sears, JCPenney, you know, just dead retail locations that you probably don't even know are in business anymore, or you haven't been like within like the last 10 years. And so hopefully I have a video out on that like within a month. Again, I'm not good with ETAs, so I'm not gonna give a specific date right now, but those are kind of the things I have cooking up right now. Radiator leak repair kit, and then dead retail videos. Those are the things I have working on right now. As far as the dead retail channel, I actually have lots of footage already. So it's just gonna be editing it down and refining it. If I have like a clip ready, I might put it in right now just to give you guys like a teaser of what it might look like. But yeah, so introduce the Turner channel, Dead Retail Bros. So that's kind of what I wanted to go over with you guys, was just what's going on with the car, what's the next video gonna be for it, and then the new channel that I have coming up too. I hope you guys are doing well. I know it's hard out there for a lot of people. It's hard out there for everyone right now. So hopefully you guys are all doing well and staying safe. It's very important that we stay safe right now. Wear your mask. Stay inside if possible. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you guys for your support. Each view, like and subscribe and comment helps out the channel a lot, and it motivates me to make more content for you guys. So thank you for all that. If you're not following me on Instagram already, make sure you follow me down below. I have it linked down below. Also, I'm starting to do TikTok now too, so follow me on TikTok as well. I will link my TikTok down below too. But yeah, that pretty much wraps things up what I wanted to go over. So hopefully you guys are doing well during these times. And like I said, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe, like button, and leave a comment down below too. If you guys have a suggestion for a future video, or you guys just have a suggestion about the channel, or if you just wanted to, I don't know, say hi. If you didn't like the video, the thumbs down button works too. But yeah, so hopefully you guys stay safe out there, and I will see you in another video.
All of the night I hear them outside, calling for me, yeah. Calling for me when you packed outside, yeah.